AC versus DC motors. AC and DC motors both turn electrical energy into mechanical motion, but they do it differently. Current type. AC motors run on alternating current, the kind in your wall sockets. DC motors use direct current from batteries or solar. Construction. DC motors often use brushes and commutators. AC motors use coils and magnetic fields, often brushless. Speed control. DC motor speed is controlled by voltage. AC motor speed requires a frequency controller. Efficiency and cost. AC motors are cheaper for constant loads. DC motors are efficient for variable and precise speed control. Maintenance and life. AC motors are low maintenance and last longer. DC motors need regular brush replacement. Common uses. AC motors, fans, pumps, appliances. DC motors, toys, drones, electric vehicles. Noise and smoothness. AC motors are quieter for large systems. DC motors give smoother torque at startup. Final recap. AC, plug, run, cheap. DC, precise, portable, efficient. Choose based on task.